नमस्ते इंडिया। वी आर एट खान मार्केट दिल्ली एंड आज हम इंटरव्यू करेंगे कुछ मिलियनियर्स और सेल्फ मेड लोगों को who broke the matrix and they made it to the top. This video is powered by Admissify EduTech and we are going to find out now what is more important, skills or education. So, hi Prerna, may I ask what do you do?
So I'm a pediatric dental surgeon. I'm a doctor.
We are with Kyle today and so Kyle, what do you do by the way?
I'm a teacher in Qatar, Doha. I'm from the UK.
We are with Manashri and she is an expert consultant in a very big consultancy firm. We are with Disha and Vakula today. We are with Winda, with Krishna, we are with Mohit and he's a businessman and entrepreneur. Sunny, आप बताना पसंद करेंगे please, what do you do? Like,
I'm into number of businesses in Varanasi.
so Prerna, in today's world, what do you think is more important, skill or education?
Education for sure. Because I deal with children and in my OPD I see that they are lost. And education is one thing that they can stick to at least till graduation, I suppose.
Yeah.
I might sound a little conservative, but
No,
this is my honest opinion.
Amazing. What's more important nowadays, skills, education or a mixed match of both?
Mishmash, both.
I value both because in today's time, it's like gaining skills have become sort of different from education.
Mm-hmm.
But then when you're studying, you're gaining more and more knowledge about the world.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like to a certain point, education is really good. But then after that, there have become things like apprenticeship, gaining skills over YouTube, such courses, extra courses, curriculums and everything. So till 12, you should. But after that, it's your call, whatever you want to value more.
Amazing.
It's a mix. Like if I know the basics, then I can learn on the job. Because textbook learning and
Right.
opening a new job, it doesn't happen anymore.
I think it's a combine of little bit both and more of skills.
More of skills.
Yes. Education also, of course, matters a lot,
Mhm.
but I think skills also matter a lot. When you have skills, you can try new things and do more.
Exactly.
I think both, because education gives you a basic foundation and gets you aware of the opportunities that you can probably venture into. But the skills, the required skills of whatever opportunities that you're looking for will only make your endeavor much more strong. So I think both are critically important.
It's mixed match of both. Skills also are much more important. Nowadays, I believe that a lot of people should have. There is a proper technique of doing a particular thing.
Right.
So those skills are very necessary. And hard work is also there. So once you are doing things daily in a proper manner, in a given manner, so it becomes easy for you to also, you can see the results in short.
On my opinion, education is really very important because without education, a person won't understand the importance of skill. And if I talk about skill, then I think anyone, if you can, just take into consideration any kind of a small shopkeeper or whatever it is, in their particular industry, they have the skill sets which we lack. So,
मुझे लगता है कि बहुत पढ़ाई की तो आवश्यकता ही है। तो ऑल्दो मेरी स्कूलिंग जो है 10th तक बहुत अच्छी रही, लेकिन 10th के बाद मैंने बस ऐसे ही पढ़ाई लिखाई करके कंप्लीट की। लेकिन 10th तक जो मैंने पढ़ा वो मेरा काम आया। और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप कैसे बात करते हैं, कैसे लोगों के सामने आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, और वे ऑफ टॉकिंग और तमाम चीज़ें जो है वो मुझे मिली वहाँ से बिजनेस से।
So what's the like 3 skills you wanna direct youth ki you should at least learn this? These can be interpersonal skills, tech skills, or whatever you want. Like what are the 3 skills you would ask youth to have it?
I feel like communication one. Because
Amazing one. Amazing one.
I am in the field of communication, so I feel like being able to talk confidently to anybody, be able to convey your ideas, what you're talking about, put it into a thought process more completely is amazingly important. If you can share to somebody what you're thinking, what you want to do, put your imagination into a more concrete perspective, that's what really helps you, right? And then definitely teamwork. It's like being able to work with other people is also really important. It cannot just be a you-centered. Like you alone can achieve so less, and with people you can
Especially in today's world,
right?
जहाँ सबको ego.
Exactly. You need help and you
Yeah,
need
right.
guidance. It's not a weakness to ask for help.
Yeah.
And third, being empathy. Definitely.
It's about kindness. My profession demands kindness day in and day out, and be polite
and it's all about the soft skills, I guess.
They should be very creative. They should read a lot and try to. When they're learning something in the classes, they should focus more on that. That will be enough, I think.
Yeah, right.
Nothing extra.
बी वेरी हम्बल, बहुत ही, और पेशेंस रखो, पेशेंस बहुत जरूरी है, हम्बलनेस बहुत जरूरी है, और वॉच एंड सी, पहले नहीं कि आप बोलते ही जाओ, दूसरे की भी सुनो.
I think first one would be emotional intelligence, because we lay a lot of focus on how much marks you have, what course you've done, which college you come from, but I sometimes lack that emotional understanding of what that other person might be going through. It's similar and blurs into what she said about empathy. That's number one. And other skill is confidence. I think that's also tied into what she said. The more confident you are in communicating your thoughts, I think the better opportunities in general you can create for yourself. And the last thing would be kindness.
You need to be humble. You need to be humble.
Yeah, you need to be kind and be humble. And kindness goes a long way. You don't need to always be in people's face or be obnoxious in general. Don't be toxic. Just be kind.
And network more.
Yes,
Network as much as possible.
Okay, that's amazing, guys. Thank you so much for your time.
Just generally looking at where it's best teaching in the world and where would be good to go, travel that, but obviously through the internet and researching, finding where would be good to work around the world, and that was a good place.
आज की जो यूथ है, अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होंगे, दे आर वेरी कंफ्यूज. उनको पैशन से काम भी करना है, दे हैव टू फॉलो देयर पैशन. उसके बाद उनको फास्ट मनी भी चाहिए, ठीक है, एक जगह कंसंट्रेशन नहीं है या फिर किसी का है तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो व्हाट इज़ द थिंग आप सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे कि यार do this thing?
I usually, on my life and on my career, I follow a very simple thing. Hard work is important, but along with that, you need to do smart work as well. So, do not run after shortcuts, because shortcuts can lead you to success in a very short time, but definitely that success is not going to stay with you for a long duration. So for me, hard work along with smart work really works out. It has been a very I would say fruitful result for me, that I have also started my career very early, and I am doing good. I think I am doing good, and I would suggest the youth also to understand what they are good at. Actually it is not important that if you have selected one particular career, you need to excel in that, but if you have any other consideration in your mind, then definitely you can move ahead with that. That's all I have to say to Sharia.
See, there are no shortcuts in life. So first of all,
There's no shortcuts.
and the hard work is the key. And as I mentioned earlier also, consistency is the only key. So if we are working, we try to practice same thing every day, and we have to see that we have to be better than ourselves, not from anybody else.
Right.
So there is no competition. If we are in Khan Market now, if somebody is going in a Lamborghini and if I'm driving a Toyota Innova, so I don't want to compare with that guy, because this is what I like, what I write, and I am happy with it. So always be thankful and grateful to God and your family what you have, rather than thinking what others have and do.
तो सबसे पहले तो हमने बच्चों को दोस्त बना के रखा. दूसरा, मैं यहाँ यूथ को देखता हूँ कि बहुत जल्दी वो लोग मतलब कि जल्दी आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं.
Easy success.
बहुत easy success.
So main thing is go for internships. Internships let you know if this is your job or not. Internships, I understand a lot of people don't want to pay for internships. That's a bad concept. That's a stupid concept. But if you're getting an internship, go for it. You'll understand if it's worth your time, your efforts, is this your career field or not, and just explore each and every field you can.
Be more sincere, and while you're trying to figure out what your field is, ask your elders who are around you or people in your field. They can advise you better. They always have some experience.
Humbleness, you mean, right? Ki you should
Humble,
not be...
and they will have more things to tell you, like how to cope up with your courses.
Right.
Because of the
challenges.
experience, because of the because the challenges they will face, because of the experience they have, they can tell you better. Because every generation is going to face somewhere the same challenges which they had faced.
People are really interested in going to study abroad nowadays. So, do you think it's worth it?
My brother is studying abroad.
Where?
He's in Amsterdam. Yeah. So I think it's worth it because my brother was a very introvert person to begin with, but now he has become an extroverted person, and this has really helped him a lot. Not I cannot vouch for the studies aspect because Mera Bharat Mahan India se acha kuch nahi hai when it comes to education. But for people, like my brother, this has helped him a lot.
More exposure and more stability they get, and in India they don't have those facilities in the institutes, and
We're still growing, but yeah, it
Yes.
will take some time, right?
but outside, yes, they focus more on children's mental growth also.
Oh yeah, because see, like when you're living in India, you have a lot of privileges. आप घर आ रहे हो, आपके घर पे खाना बना पड़ा है, your bed's made. You have a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, right.
If you're living alone, especially outside the country, stuff like buying your groceries, cleaning your house, studying, figuring out your part-time job, looking for a full-time job, that's a proper pain.
Okay, yeah.
So you become like more rounded that way. आपको आइडिया होता है कि यार यहाँ पे effort डालना है, यहाँ पे effort नहीं डालना, कितना effort डालना है, क्या important है.
You explore
You
variety.
explore, yeah, you develop as a person, bro.
Yeah, definitely, it's worth it. Like, you need you get a lot of exposure, you get a lot of opportunities, you get people, you meet people, you have peers around with you who belong from different parts of the world. So their mindsets also puts a very positive impact on you, how you think, how you perform, how you stay in your life, how do you see yourself in the coming 5 years. So I would really would love to grab this opportunity if I am ever being offered with such kind of opportunities in my career. Then yeah, I should, everyone should grab it, and everyone, if they can, then they should move outside and at least have that exposure, and then yeah, come back to
So
India.
which country would you prefer, by the way?
My personal favorite is United Kingdom. I would love to go to
That's
London.
great. That's a dream place for most of the people, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's really difficult because even when I was young, it's hard to think what you want to do. But find the passion that you've got when you're a bit younger, it's easier to follow that through and just explore different things, try different things and see what you like and go from there.
Did you notice one thing? Every person, be it from any walk of life, agreed on one thing: upskilling. और ऐसा क्यों है? Let's look at the job market of India. You only need 3 skills to excel: soft skill, technical skills, and holistic skills. Ready to upskill? At Admisify, we have our experienced mentors who have walked the very path you wish to take. Be it thriving in India or studying in abroad, connect with Admisify today.